All right, I'm going to make this a generic video on how to view feedback, especially essay feedback. So I'm going to be going through one specific feedback on here, but this should apply for any feedback. So one thing that we've noticed as a class is that when I do video feedback, which I'm trying to do because I think it's helpful, sometimes it really only comes up on the side and it's not coming up over here for me, even though I did an example, but we'll talk about it. So under your to-do list, when you come home to the home page, there should be something that says recent feedback down below the to-do list. And a video should pop up there. So starting with that might be a good way to start looking at your feedback. But when we go to the actual assignment, we can see feedback as well. So what you need to do to view feedback on any assignment is first of all, go to the assignment. I'm going to click this link to get to this one, but wherever you need to click, whether you go through modules or whatever, then you can view the assignment. So when you get to your assignment that's already been submitted, that already has feedback, you want to click submission details is the first thing. So when you click submission details, you're going to see a few things that pop up on the screen. First of all, there's my video comment. So on all of your essays, I generally make a video comment. There might be other times I make a video comment. So you can watch the video by clicking that. And it says this is a media comment, so you can watch that. Also, remember, I will always put feedback on the document itself. To see that, you must click View Feedback. So we'll click that, and it'll pop up. It'll be kind of small, but you can hit this arrow, these arrows right here, to expand it. And then you can see here's a random document, but I have comments, and they go to specific parts on your paper. So that's how you hit that. So again, you see view feedback there. Now, also on assignments with rubrics like your essays, right under the grade, you see show rubric. So we click that. And unfortunately, this looks small as well, and it's hard to see with my video in the way. But it will go through and you can see for the thesis, did you get a 1 or a 0? It tells you. Sometimes I have comments underneath that as well. Oops. Put that here. Sometimes you'll see comments underneath it, but usually I'm going to do video comments. So you can see that it highlights the one that's marked for evidence and commentary. It highlights the one that's marked. So in this case, it's a 3. For sophistication, it highlighted 0. I know that's hard to see, unfortunately, but that is how you can see the rubric there. All right, so again, let me go back and show you again how to get there. I'll make my screen a little smaller here so we can see it. Let's go home. So sometimes it'll pop up down here as recent feedback, but regardless, either way, go to the assignment that you want to view feedback on. Click submission details. You can see you can get to some things here as well, but click submission details. You can see big overall comments, whether they're media comments or not. You can see them here. You can see feedback on the actual paper by clicking view feedback in the corner and expanding so that you can see everything. Well, it's taking a second to load. There it is. And then you can also click show rubric, and that will show you what you actually made on the rubric. So you need to look at all 3 of those when looking at an essay. I spend a lot of time giving you feedback to help you grow in your writing, so make sure you look at all of it.